you been part of Cicada's journey over the last 25 years?
Was Cicada an early home for your startup?
Did Cicada support you through those late night lab sessions?
Or maybe you met a mate at one of our legendary events.
Or did we help you discover just how incredible deep tech can be?
Cicada Innovations has been Australia's home for deep tech for 25 years, and we need you.
Cicada Deep Tech Hotline is open!
Now's your chance to share your story, say thank you, or to wish this national treasure a happy birthday.
So pick up the phone today and email us with your story at hotline@cicadainnovations.com.
Happy birthday, Cicada!
Messages may be monitored for celebratory purposes only. Side effects of calling include nostalgia, uncontrollable laughter, and sudden bursts of inspiration. Results may vary. Cicada Innovations is not responsible for accidental deep tech sessions or excessive enthusiasm. Call now. Operators are probably not standing by.